Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this video I'm going to talk about a nice battery which I found for my hybrid fossil smartwatch, and this is none other than Renata CR2430, and this is one of the best batteries you can buy online because that is one of the only batteries available for this fossil watch. And there are other things like Panasonic and all I tried, but I did not get better results than it. So this is nothing but a lithium polymer battery, and if you want you can charge it also, I guess, but then I don't have the appropriate charger for it. You just have to connect some wires and all and get through some other means. And definitely this battery can be charged, but I don't recommend it, and because it is relatively cheap. So check out the link in the description to get it from Amazon, and they are not sponsoring this video. And if you like this kind of video, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and please do not forget to press that bell notification icon to get any future updates. And coming back to this particular battery, guys, I had been using this fossil watch for more than 5 years, and I would say this is one of the best watches you can get it from fossil. And this is a hybrid watch, so it is not a full-fledged smartwatch, but it is for those people who still want to track time when they are wearing an analog watch. And the dial size is about something like 44 to 46 millimeter. I don't know what exactly it is, but then the strap size is 24 millimeter, and you all can swap the band for this. And let me install it this way, and you can use a coin to remove the back panel. And sometimes it is getting some bit fidgety and all, and you need to have this particular panel in a proper locking position. Just use a coin and just turn this around, and once it is locked, it will be in a proper position, guys. So this way you can open the battery and compartment, and then now see, it is locked properly and the fossil logo is inlined properly. So this is how it is, guys. And once you press this particular buttons, it will show different time zones, and basically I'm using this for like different time zones, or something like Sweden time zone, etc. So this is much more useful, and later on you can also set up some custom email notification, so the hand will point to certain direction once you get email and that stuff. And it got a vibrator motor also, and I'd been using this Renata battery for quite a while, so this lasts about a year, guys, and I had no issues with it. So check out the link in the description if you want to get this CR2430 battery for your hybrid smartwatch. And in my case, this is a classic piece which I really like from Fossil. It is one of the best looking watches from Fossil, so do check that out. Personally, I feel this is outdated because after 5 years I got this as a gift from my loved one, and that is one of the reason I'm still using this watch. Again, guys, let me know in the comments below what do you think about batteries. What is your experience regarding batteries? Let me know in the comments below which batteries CR2030 all are using. And again, there are many other videos to check out on this particular channel. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and see you in my next video.